Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Maps not working properly or not loading properly. So to start, go ahead and open your phone settings, then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage. Click the search button and search for Google Maps. Open it. And from here, click Offload App. Click Offload App once more. Now what happens here is this will free up space but keep its documents and data. Now once done, click Reinstall App, then just wait for it to finish, and reinstalling the app will place back your data. Now once that's done, go ahead and open Google Maps again and see if that works. Next method is to go to App Store, then search for Google Maps. Click on it. Then from here, if you see an update button, just click on that and make sure you're using the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open it again and try again and see if that works. Next, open settings again. Then from here, go to Wi-Fi and make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. You can also turn it off for about 10 to 30 seconds and turn it back on again. Then connect to Wi Fi. Then go back to Google Maps and see if that works. And that's basically it. I hope that fixes the issue. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.